This is an informative video on how the court system within the state of San Andreas operates and helping you understand your rights to legal representation. The San Andreas District Court handles criminal and civil cases and can even adjudicate over federal cases. The District Court is a federal entity whose judges are nominated by the President and confirmed by the Senate. These judges are here to ensure that the laws as currently written are being enforced legally. As a citizen, you have the right to have your case taken to court. Whether the crime you allegedly committed was a felony or a simple traffic ticket, you have the right to legal counsel and appear before a judge. After you have been arrested, you can inform the officer that you would like to contest your arrest in court. This is a constitutional right, and a law enforcement officer cannot deny you this right if a judge is currently available. After all necessary processing into the city jail has been completed, you will be taken before the court to have your case reviewed by a judge. The accused are innocent until proven beyond a reasonable doubt to be guilty. During the hearing, also known as an arraignment, the judge will review the case and allow you to enter a plea. The plea options are guilty, no contest, not guilty, and not guilty by reason of insanity. Upon entering a plea of not guilty, the arraignment becomes a pretrial, where the judge will review all evidence against you in your case and may even call upon available witnesses to testify on or against your behalf. After reviewing all evidence against you, you will have the opportunity to share your side of events and make any statements to the court you wish. It will then be up to the judge to determine guilt beyond a reasonable doubt or your innocence in the case. If the judge feels that the case needs to be advanced to the trial stage, then the court will set a date and your case will be presented to a jury. Having your case presented to a jury is the decision of the judge and the judge only. If the court finds you guilty, you will then be sentenced to serve time in prison that is deemed appropriate by the judge. If the court declares you eligible for parole or probation, a significant fine must be paid to the courts before you can be released. If the fine is paid, you will be released from jail and placed on parole or probation. During this pre-designated amount of time, if you are placed back into police custody for any reason, you will be sent back to prison without parole or probation. The courts can also serve expungement orders for those individuals the courts feel have redeemed themselves and have proven to be on a path of self-recovery and improvement. An expungement is a privilege and will only be granted on special occasions. To find out more about the court system, or to find out how you can become involved, you can contact your nearest judge for a meeting.